here and they yell your spaghetti up and you can't go anywhere. And then their mom left and the three girls put spaghetti on their children's heads and their mom came back and looked at their plates and they were all empty, but then she looked on their heads and she was laughing in her head because they looked so funny. And I'm going to eat this spaghetti. It's covered in mushrooms. You're not going to eat this. You're not going to eat it.
You kids can't leave the table until every single noodle is off your plate.
I got an idea. I got an idea. We got an idea.
Did you eat your spaghetti?
Say, there's none on our plates.
There's none